These alarm sounds apply to the FireHawk by FireBlitz CO5B, CO7B, CO7B-10Y and CO7BD. If the red LED is flashing, you will hear a repeated series of 4 beeps. This means dangerous levels of carbon monoxide detected. You must now follow emergency procedures. If the green, yellow and red LEDs are flashing and there's one series of 4 beeps, this means alarm test and you should follow the test procedure. If there are no LEDs flashing and there's one beep every minute, this means low battery. You now must replace the alarm. If there's no LEDs flashing and 3 beeps every minute, this means end of sensor life and you must replace the alarm. If the red and yellow LEDs are flashing and there are 2 beeps every minute, this means fault. Refer to the user manual and follow clean and test procedures. If still at fault, contact the manufacturer. Please regularly test your alarms and advise friends and family to do the same. Thank you.